model, 66-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 114 Bluetec fridge van silver 12 months MOT drive, away. Body, silver, fridge. Mileage, 298,304. MOT, the 2nd of February 2026. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 136 HPB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear fridge area is in decent, average condition and all works as it should and even comes with a cold box container, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav, tow hitch, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click